Today's little project is repairing this overflow on this pond where it discharges pretty much the dissipator pad. It's been neglected and kind of grown up, so we're going to rip those trees out right there, rake around that, put some rock in, redo all this, put fabric down, more rock. It's just where it wasn't installed correctly, and all the rain we've had, you can see how the water's been way up there, has just removed all this rock. So I'm going to come in here, pull all this rock out, regrade it, new fabric, and get it fixed up so that when it's discharging out, it's not discharging into a giant pile of rock, causing it to cascade up and then erode another hole out. So get in here and get some of these trees knocked down. so I got all the rock dug out, dirt piled up there, notched in. Got my fabric down, and it's muddy down there. But it's a little, not the prettiest in the world. But the rock will pack it down and flatten it out. I got it tucked under the flare. I'm gonna take what's left of this dirty rock, put it on the bottom, and then we'll dress it up with nice clean rock. Between the houses, through the woods, down the pond dam, through the woods again, is how we get rock. One scoop at a time. Spread that out real quick. I think I got plenty of rock. Alright, time to put it in place, pack it down, grade it out, and make it look nice. Freshen this up a little bit. I think I got a little extra. little more dress up work here where we had to come in, and this will be done. Got the rock placed in there, got it cut in there and packed in. Got the nice even slope all the way down so the water won't be ramping up and cascading over a hump of rock, because all that does is just create turbulence and erodes even more. So got all that put in. I brought all that nastier muddy rock and put it down here. Just got it wasted around, and there was a washed out area right there. I just pounded it in there, and we could have all the nice clean rock up here. It's kind of bad the way that flare's coming out. It's angled into the bank, but there's about 2 foot of rock there, so it should take that brunt of the impact. All right, I'm gonna dress up these ruts, call it a day.